Hi, so here we are. My name is Alberto White. I'm gonna log in to, let's go first to my Seller Central of acequalityproducts.com. We're gonna go into the business reports, and then, well, this is today. Let me check here. I've had one sale so far. 30-day sales. We're going to go to reports, and then we're going to go to business reports. And then we're going to go to sales and orders by month. We're going to do the from May of last year to April. So we're going to do May 1st, 2017 to April 30th. That was the dates chosen in the profit and loss statement I sent from the beginning. So we're gonna do here, display here. So here we are. You guys can pause and check all the details. You can pause and check all the details. Okay, so yeah, like I sent in the statements, November and January of this year was pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna, here's my inventory. I have no problem showing it. Here is the active. This one's gonna be active next week. I have some inventory right now that these two will be gone, and well, that's it. I just wanted to let you guys show you. Let me see what else I can show you. That's about it, I think. I'm gonna log out, and we're gonna go into GoDaddy bookkeeping. You guys can see it here. Nothing weird. Carlos White is my brother. He's also a partner in the company, only me and him from the beginning. Okay, got it. So here is my profit and loss statement. I had cost of goods sold. That's going to be reflected soon because I had an expense. But here we are. So this is the number for 2018. Let's look at the details. Everything from Amazon is all the GoDaddy bookkeeping is matched with Amazon, so it's basically automated. Let's do the same dates. It was May 1st to April 30th. So let's filter this baby up. And no, let's go back so you guys can check it out. You guys can pause it here and look that the statements I sent are the same ones as this one. I'm gonna go to so it's November 2017. Let's go here, and November 2017. You guys can pause. And you can pause again and look at the numbers. I have no problem with it. I think this is basically it. Hope this helps. And now let me know.